In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok 4 effectively. If you're new to this platform or just looking to refine your skills, you'll find these instructions clear and handy. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part thoroughly. Let's begin with accessing the Grok web interface. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Grok website. Once there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you would need to create one. But since we're focusing on how to use Grok 4 today, we'll assume you're all set up and logged in already. Once logged in, you'll want to create a new chat. This starts by locating the chat option, which is typically at the main dashboard or sidebar. Click on this option to initiate a new session. Creating a new chat is essential before you can proceed to the next steps, as it serves as the workspace where all interactions with the model occur. With your new chat window open, it's time to choose the right model. Under the Models section, you'll see a list of options. Look for Grok 4 and select it. This model is tailored for dynamic and effective communication, providing advanced capabilities compared to its predecessors. Selecting the correct model is crucial, as it determines how your prompts will be processed and responded to. Now comes the creative part, entering your prompt. In the chat window, you'll find a space to type your message. Think about what you want to communicate or the type of information you're seeking, and enter your prompt accordingly. Be clear and concise to ensure accurate and relevant responses from Grok 4. Whether it's a question, a command, or a conversational starter, input it here. Once you've entered your prompt, you'll need to review the output generated by Grok 4. This model is designed to provide insightful and coherent responses, but it's always a good idea to take a moment to check if the output aligns with your expectations. Look for any areas that may need refinement or clarification. If you find the response needs tweaking, refine your prompt and try again. Adjusting your wording or adding more context can help achieve the desired outcome. This iterative process is at the heart of getting the most out of Grok 4, allowing you to harness the model's capabilities to their fullest. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use Grok 4. With practice, you'll find that interacting with this model becomes second nature, and you'll be able to leverage its full potential for your needs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore the versatility Grok 4 brings to the table.